disconnected the distributor, the pigtail on the distributor, so that the coils can't fire. So we're going to take all the spark plugs out, and then we're going to pull the fuel pump fuse so that we're not blowing any fuel. And if there's any water in these cylinders, we want to turn the engine over and see if it's going to shoot the water out of the cylinders. See, that's oil though right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one wasn't tight. Pulling the fuel pump fuse.
Okay.
It's right here. That second one right there, fuel pump, 15 ampere.
Okay.
Okay. Put this down here. Okay, I'm gonna have you crank it over.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna crank it over, see how much comes out of this. Okay, hold on. Do it again. Got a little bit of mist coming out, not too much. Go again. Hold on. Go again. Again. Okay, hold on. Trying to look down into those cylinders. Okay, try again. Okay, we're good. Give me that rag. Okay. Each one. Let's get them nice and dry so maybe we can get a start.
What if the spark plugs are like damaged somehow from all that water?
They wouldn't be.
Really?
Nah.
What about if the water got inside the spark plug somehow? Is that possible?
No, I don't think it would. They're pretty sealed. Okay, so just trying to get them dry to give ourselves a chance to start.
Can you clean the end of it with something, like besides from that, like something like a wire brush? Or is that too kind of harsh?
It should still spark.
Really?
I was trying to get them dry. You don't want them wet. Wet spark plugs won't fire.
I gotcha.
What was that?
What, did water come out of there?
Yeah. That was weird.
You gonna check for a second? Just make sure there's nothing more coming out. Give it a good shake. Just in case. Like, what if there's stuff in there, baby, and it's just slowly oozing out?
That's okay.
Give it a little tap on something, maybe. Tap it on something upside down. You know.
It's okay.
Really?
Stick it back in there.
Okay, so let's bring this back together. Cleaned all 4 of the spark plugs with the carb cleaner.
Alright.
See if that makes any difference.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. We got a bigger problem on our hands. It's got to be some kind of electrical plug, a ground, something. Something on it broke. Forgot to put the fuel pump fuse back in.
Dang, baby, no wonder
here.
this car won't start. Alright, so guys, just remember, hook up the distributor cap and don't forget to put the fuse back in.
The distributor pigtail.
Okay, the distributor pigtail.
Okay, try it now.
Alright. Holy crap, it started.
Let it run. Get it all out the tailpipe. Let it run.
Dang, rev it or just let it run?
Yeah, let it run. Get all that shit out the tailpipe.
Wow. Holy freaking crap.
Yeah.
So what made the difference then?
I think it probably had water in the cylinders. That's what all I can come up with.
So maybe taking out the spark plugs and
turning the engine over and just trying to get what we
Stuff
could
out.
out of there, and also drying the spark plugs.
right.
Cleaning the spark plugs off and drying them.
Okay. Wow. Holy crap. And that rattle you can hear, guys, it's actually our exhaust that's kind of hanging underneath. The brackets are actually not fastened properly, so that's not the engine.
Goodness.
Yeah, and that's just the exhaust rattle now that we can hear. The engine sounds great again.
Yeah.
Holy freaking crap, babe. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, don't clean the engine again with water.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm never going to do that ever again.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, lesson learned. I don't know who gave me that bad advice. Ah? Oh yeah, we fixed the oil leak too.
The oil filter.
Yeah, because the oil filter was loose and we didn't
So I think
realize,
that's what I was going to look after from the very start, and then I found that by accident.
Whew. Thank freaking goodness. Okay.
That oil filter was loose.
Yeah.
Definitely loose.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, a lot of smoke. I don't know if that was from us trying to overstart it. That could be water in the cylinders, maybe. Right?
Gee, I don't know what this thing's burning off, but it sounds like it's burning off everything under the sun. Okay, just noticed that the smoke is not even coming out the tailpipe. It's obviously not even connected. Oh. Dang, I had to escape from all that smoke. It stinks out there. Huh. Kind of looks like it's dissipating a little bit. Kind of. Yeah, I think it is.